Hey, what's up guys? So got our package and it is one of the first GoPro Hero 8s in South Africa. I know nobody's got it here yet because it's only launching in the next few days. Okay, that was true. I got the camera before it launched, but this video is taking me a little bit of time to edit, so let's carry on. So we've got our box. We're gonna unbox it, see what's inside, what accessories you get with your GoPro Hero 8, and then we'll take you through a few features once we've got the thing set up. Okay, so here it is, the GoPro Hero 8 with Hypersmooth 2.0. We'll open the box and see what accessories we get with it. Okay, in the box we've got the standard GoPro terms and conditions, how to set your camera up, your stickers, instruction manual, a few mounts, the new redesigned battery, USB-C type cable. That's it. Okay, so what you'll find is that the GoPro Hero 8 is a lot lighter than the previous models. It's much lighter than the 7, the 6, and definitely the 5. For some reason my Hero 5, which I've been using up until now, I even missed the 6 and the 7. So this is a really special one for me to get. You can actually feel the difference. It feels a lot lighter, and that is due to the skeleton case being removed now, and you don't actually need the casing. So the GoPro Hero 8, this is all you need without any skeleton case, because the fingers that mount the GoPro are now built into the bottom. So they simply fold away, and when you want to mount it, you simply pull them out. So this is a great feature because I've broken my skeleton case a few times just throwing it around and doing crazy things with it. And then sometimes you take it out and you're just recording, and then you forget your case at home and then you can't mount it to anything. So this is a huge improvement. You'll also see that the mic is in the front now, so you'll get better quality audio, and it's just got a nice feel about it. It feels really rugged. The texture of the GoPro, it feels a little bit rougher but nicer. It feels like it's sturdy. What they've also done is they've redesigned the door, so your fingers are now at the bottom, your mounting fingers are now at the bottom. So obviously you know that the previous models, your battery went in the bottom and your SD card, where now it's got a little click mount, which is pretty cool, and it opens up on the side, and this is where your battery goes and your SD card goes. So that is a great feature. Okay, so let us get the battery in, get our SD card in, and fire it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the edit and some of the features of the GoPro Hero 8, like Hypersmooth and 8x slow-mo, and just walking with the camera now. I mean, the stability of this camera is insane. It looks like it's on a gimbal. So I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.